Hey everybody, I just wanted to do a little quick video and a shout out to DeWalt on their DeWalt Express Folding Workbench. They say you can do it in 3 seconds, and believe me, you can. You just grab that table, spin it right around, press the yellow button, pull out the handle, table is set. Maximum capacity is 1,000 pounds. I can believe it, because this thing is built like a truck. It's got peg holes, got all peg holes all over it. It's even got a couple on the side, a few places. It's got a place for, the X slot. Some brands of bar clamps will fit in there, other brands won't. I have got these. These are some inexpensive brand, and it doesn't fit through there with a darn. Can't take it apart to put it through the other way, but that said, you can clamp pretty much anywhere on this table with any kind of clamp you need. Not a problem. So if you find the right kind of bar clamps, they should go through. Most C clamps, I'm sure, would go right through without a problem. Is the table itself sturdy, solid? Well, I've been using it for my wet saw, which is why it's all wet. And with a wet saw on here, it's pretty, if you shake at it, it'll move a little bit, but sawing, pretty steady. On solid ground, it'll be nice and steady, won't give you any problems. I've heard a few people mention the handle sticking out on the side. Some people don't like that once it's out there. I gotta tell you, when it's out there, you got your stuff on the table, you got some clamps. Tell me that isn't a handy place to put your clamps. Got a tool belt, hang it right there, there's your tools. Hammer, hang it off there, not a problem. Plenty of space to work. Doesn't weigh very much, I think it's like 25 pounds, maybe less. Sets up in 3 seconds, just like they say, not a problem. Some people say you can do it one-handed. Unless you got really long and strong fingers, you're not doing it one-handed. But, nonetheless, break down and set up fast as can be. Nice little side handle here. Some people say it looks kind of flimsy. I can tell you that thing's going to last. I don't think that's flimsy at all. You can grab that, you can work it. 5-10 years down the road, maybe it'll give up, but I don't see it doing it anytime soon. So I just wanted to talk about that for a minute. I got it at a hell of a deal. I think I paid somewhere between 70 and 80 bucks for it on sale. I can tell you they're hard to find in some places. I had to go to 3 different Home Depots before I found one. And I looked online at Home Depots, and there was at least 6 of them that didn't have it anymore because they sell fast. Overall, good work table, especially for a DIY guy like me. Perfect. Can you hang it up? I bet you could. You just need a strong enough hook to hold up 30 pounds, that's all. So there's no reason why you couldn't hang it up. Folds down, it's only about, maybe 4.5, 5 inches deep. So it doesn't take up a lot of space. The only other thing I can say about the DeWalt Quick Express Folding Workbench is get yourself one, because these things are great.